Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the property location is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.6, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So, yes, the property is at major parts and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive and guests like to enjoy the surroundings. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several days and hours are available for this property along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. On more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room, if you are new on this channel, please have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.